In an unfortunate event on February 22nd, a section of the roof of the Srisailam irrigation tunnel collapsed, trapping 8 people inside and killing them. Let's break the story down into 5 key points. 1. This tunnel's length is about 43.93 kilometers from Srisailam Reservoir to Dindi Balancing Reservoir at Nalgonda. When this project is complete, it will give seamless water supply at a cheap cost to 3 lakh acres of agricultural land and also provide drinking water to lakhs of people. 2. Construction began back in 2005 during the then Chief Minister Mr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy's tenure, but things got delayed due to technical funding, contractor issues as well as political reasons. Telangana's current Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy, had pledged to complete the construction during his tenure. In fact, the work had restarted after a 4-year gap just days before this incident happened. 3. Drilling is done using a tunnel boring machine. Drilling of 20 kilometers from the outlet and 13 kilometers from the inlet was already completed. But it was at this point they encountered 8 meters of shear zone. 4. Shear zone in simple language means unstable zone. Fractured rocks mixed with minerals, soil and water, giving it a semi-solid state. While navigating through a shear zone, one should be very careful. Drilling slowly while testing the area continuously is the only way. Water seepages do happen, but have to be managed efficiently. There are certain guidelines and thresholds that need to be monitored. One sign of anything abnormal, drilling must stop immediately. 5. When this incident happened, 60 people were inside the tunnel. 52 of them were able to get out, but 8 people were stuck. Air ducts were closed, no signals, their names were called out, but there was no response. Organizations like NDRF, SDRF, Army, Navy, and many more departments worked together in this rescue. But after 6 long days of rescue efforts and prayers, their bodies were found on the 28th of Feb 2025. 2 engineers and 6 workers have lost their lives in this unfortunate event. But how did it happen in the first place? Presence of a shear zone was known and experts were involved in the process. Only an investigation can bring out the truth. But we must remember that nature is unpredictable. If you found this informative, do give us a like. Follow Eagerheads for more.